Congratulations are in order to Kaizer Chiefs. Amakosi booked their place in the CAF Confederation Cup group stages with a confident 3-1 victory over AS Simba in the second preliminary round. Second leg clash at Dobsonville Stadium on Sunday afternoon. The Soweto Giants, who were held to a goalless draw by Siwelele FC in the midweek, made 4 changes to their lineup as Bradley Cross, Solomon Skosing Ngobo and Claude Lilebo all returned to the starting lineup. Chiefs got off to a flying start, showing attacking intent from the first whistle. Their early pressure paid off just 5 minutes in when Igodaro opened his account for the club, calmly slotting home from close range after a rebound fell kindly on the box. The hosts doubled their advantage 10 minutes later through defender Zita Kunika, who produced a composed side-footed finish into the top corner after meeting Mfundo Vilakazi's perfectly delivered free kick. With the visitors struggling to settle, Amakosi continued to dominate and were rewarded again before the half-hour mark. Lilebo rose highest at the far post to hit home a pinpoint corner from Vilakazi, putting Amakosi 3-0 up and firmly in control of their tie. Sensing the game slipping away, Simba made an early tactical switch before the interval, replacing Mapenga Kazati with Nyongani in an attempt to regain stability. Amakosi were forced into a change of their own at halftime when Lilebo was withdrawn due to injury, paving the way for Pule Modi to enter the fray. The second half continued in similar fashion, with Chiefs dictating the tempo and maintaining defensive discipline. The highlight of the half came on 65 minutes when the former Cape Town Spurs midfielder Asanele Velebai made his long-awaited debut, replacing Vilakazi. Igodaro nearly backed his brace late in the contest, his clever effort inside the box rattling the upright and bouncing clear. Simba managed a late consolation 10 minutes from time when Aiden McCarthy inadvertently turned the ball into his own net while attempting to clear a dangerous cross. Despite the setback, the result was never in doubt. Amakosi comfortably saw out the remaining minutes to seal an emphatic victory and secure their spot in the group stages of the CAF Confederation Cup. With this performance, Amakosi sent a clear message across the continent. They are determined to restore their continental pedigree and make a strong statement in Africa's second-tier club competition. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.